Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the app. Open Snapchat, tap your profile, then the gear icon for settings. Once there, go straight to Memories and turn off autosave and any smart backup options so new snaps stop uploading. Make sure to export or save any photos you want to keep to your camera roll before proceeding, because turning off backup prevents future cloud copies. This immediate step stops further cloud uploads and prepares you to remove existing content without losing anything important. Now remove what's already in the cloud. Open Memories, switch to the Snaps or Stories tab, and select the items you want gone. You can long press a snap or use edit to multi-select, then choose Delete. That removes the items from Snapchat's servers after you confirm. Once deleted, go to Recently Deleted and empty it too, because snaps may be retained there temporarily. By confirming deletion in both places, you ensure those files are queued for permanent removal from Snapchat's cloud storage. Finish by clearing metadata and forcing a sync. In Settings, go to Account Actions and tap Clear Cache, then Confirm. This removes local references to cloud content. Sign out and uninstall the app if you want to sever the device link, and then wait 24 to 72 hours for Snapchat to complete server-side purging. If deleted items still appear, contact Snapchat support or revoke app/device permissions in your account and retry deletion. This troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.